Hello Gemini, this is your love reading for October 2020. I'm glad you're here, and I'm Kara of Reflective Tarot, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to me, I combine intuitive readings and journaling to support your reflection process as you journey within. And if you're new to journaling and have been looking for a way to cultivate this habit, I have a guided journal to help you focus, set intentions, and reflect. The link to download a free copy of my reflection journal will be listed down below in the description. You'll also be automatically signed up to receive my newsletter, where you'll get the daily readings for all of the elements and astro signs directly in your inbox. I also give away free personal readings, so if that interests you, head over to the latest weekly reading, as all the details on how to enter is on that video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime that I post. Alright, so I'm going to be pulling cards for your energy. The energy of your person, what's challenging you, what's challenging them, and the energy of the connection. I'll also be pulling additional cards to clarify the energies and to close the reading with guidance. So there is a journaling sheet that pairs with this reading. The link to download that is below. You can use it to capture any of the messages that you feel are helpful to you. Also, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so the energies can be reversed, and there may be times that the messages that come through may not 100% be meant for you. Connect with your intuition and use your inner guidance to choose the messages that resonate with you. So I'm going to pull the 5 cards. Oh, geez. I'm going to pull the 5 cards for your energy, their energy, what's challenging you, what's challenging them, and the energy of your connection. So your energy, their energy, what's challenging you, what's challenging them, and the energy of the connection. So that's really good. You got the 10 of Cups as the energy between the two of you. So this is a very happy and harmonious relationship. And your energy here is a Hierophant. So it's like you're ready to take this relationship to the next level. And what's challenging you, though, is the Two of Swords. So there's something that's keeping you from wanting to maybe propose this. And their energy is the 9 of Wands, and wands can represent lots of passion. So let's see, I'll clarify some more to kind of get another layer to this. And what's challenging them is the King of Swords. So they're maybe being a little bit indecisive about something. So let's see, I will clarify so we have a better idea of what these energies are. Let's clarify the 10 of Cups first. Whoa, okay. So the Devil card, that there's lots of sexual passion here within this relationship. And the Star card here is like you both have wanted this connection. And the King of Cups is that there's such a level of maturity and deep connection with each other. So overall, this is a really powerful connection for sure, with two major arcanas and the King of Cups to clarify the Ten of Cups. That's crazy. So let's clarify the Hierophant in your energy. King of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and Knight of Cups. Oh, so yeah, you're clear. You know you want to make this relationship work. You want to take this next step to make this offer and take and level this relationship up. So if you're already like, maybe you're wanting to propose to this person, thinking about proposing, or it could be that you're wanting this person to propose to you, however it fits in your situation. Ooh. Maybe this person's thinking of proposing to you, and I just, because like the energy that I'm looking at this person's face right now, he's like trying to hide something, like keep it to himself. All right, let's see. I'm sorry if I spoiled it. Okay, let me see what the Nine of Wands is. Yeah, it's like the Page of Pentacles. It's like, and the Knight of Pentacles. It's like really trying to solidify this connection in the physical world by making that offer, because I better do it now before someone else gets Gemini, here with the competition card. Let's see what's challenging them. Queen of Swords, Knight of Swords, and the Death card. Yeah, this is about trying to be clear and just going for it. So what's challenging them is being decisive about how to go about doing it, and just cutting out anything that's keeping them from doing it. So wow, sorry if I spoiled something. All right, let's see what's your challenge. What's challenging you? Oh my goodness. Let's get one more card for what's challenging you. Maybe I didn't spoil it. Maybe you kind of knew. And so you're trying here with the blindfold and the Two of Swords, you're trying to like act like you don't know. But you know that this communication is coming. It's just a matter of time. Interesting. And then you have the Ace of Wands, the bottom of the deck. So there is a new passionate beginning with this connection. So let's get a few cards from the Romance Angels. Let's pull a card for your energy, Gemini. Playfulness. To capture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit to fun to shine. Let's get a card for your person. This could be the one. Yep. See, they're trying to decide how they're going to do it. And the energy of the connection. I want to get another card. Because it says codependency, but that's not what I'm feeling. Yep. I think, so this person really feels like you're the one, because the relationship that they have with, this person has with you, is not like it what is not is different. It's different from any of the relationships that they've had in the past, where it was draining. Maybe in the past they've had relationships where it was draining. There was some codependent patterns. And now they finally feel like they found you, the one that they've been wanting, where you don't have that. So now they're thinking about getting married. All right, so I'm just gonna get one more card for the energy of this situation. Yeah, work through your fear. Whoever's holding back, it's time to work through your fears. Take a leap of faith. Listen to your intuition, listen to your heart. What does your body tell you? You know? Let's get what you need to surrender. Let's get a card for what you need to surrender. Surrender to your full power. Your life is calling for you to step into your full power rather than playing it small. Yeah, like, if this is feeling like this is too good to be true, like, why not? I mean, you deserve a love like this, right? So enjoy it. Allow yourself to enjoy it. Let me just put that back in. Allow yourself to enjoy it. I want one card from this deck, just one card. Just one card. Dance. Allow your body to, move your body to music. Dance with the rhythm of life. Manifest your dreams through dance. Yeah, like, enjoy the process. Enjoy the experiences that you have with each other. Try not to take it so seriously. Even if you are taking things to the next level, and that does have a level of seriousness to it, like, you can still have fun with it. You know, you don't have to set any, like, expectations for what that is or what it should be. Just enjoy the connection that you have with each other. Let's get one more card to close off your reading with the Whispers of Love. The heart of the matter. There is more going on than meets the eye. 22. Take a moment to get to the genuine issues of this situation. The truth of what is going on lies at the very heart of a situation. Be honest and willing to do whatever is necessary to take care of this. Whether you see your current scenario as positive or negative, it's happening for a reason. Awareness and understanding will help you see beyond your current circumstances. It may be difficult at first, but with time, you may feel differently and understand why things unfolded as they did. Even if you are in an emotional upheaval, there is an outcome that will bring love and blessings. Yeah, so I think this is telling you to really be ready to open up your heart. And if there's fears that are coming up, then get to the heart of that matter, right? Like, ask yourself why this is coming up, because if it's around you feeling like you don't know if you deserve it, like really take the time to explore that. All right, Gemini, those were your messages. I hope it was helpful. Please let me know how October treats you. I'd love to hear from you. Comment down below, and see you on the next one. Bye.